Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. Today we are going to discuss a critical aspect of compliance management handling non-conformities and corrective actions as outlined by ISO 19600. Effectively addressing non-compliance is essential for maintaining the integrity of our compliance management system. Let's explore the key concepts and guidelines within ISO 19600 related to this crucial area. Identification of non-conformities. ISO 19600 requires organizations to establish processes for the identification of non-conformities instances where the organization's compliance management system does not conform to the requirements of the standard or legal obligations. This could result from internal assessments, audits, or other monitoring activities. Nonconformity documentation. Once a nonconformity is identified, ISO 19600 emphasizes the importance of documenting it thoroughly. This documentation should include details such as the nature of the nonconformity, its root causes, and the potential consequences for the organization. Proper documentation forms the basis for effective corrective actions. Evaluation of nonconformities. The standard guides organizations to evaluate the significance of nonconformities based on criteria such as the potential impact on legal compliance, the organization's objectives, and the severity of the violation. This evaluation helps prioritize corrective actions and resources. Determination of causes. Understanding the root cause of nonconformities is crucial. ISO 19600 requires organizations to investigate and determine the underlying reasons for the non-compliance. This analysis aids in developing effective corrective actions to address the core issues. Corrective actions planning. Once non-conformities are identified and their causes determined, organizations are required to develop and implement corrective action plans. These plans should be designed to eliminate the root cause of non-conformities and prevent their recurrence. Timely corrective actions. ISO 19600 emphasizes the importance of taking corrective actions in a timely manner. Prompt responses is critical to mitigate the potential impact of non-conformities and demonstrate the organization's commitment to addressing compliance issues promptly. Documentation of corrective actions. Similar to non-conformities, corrective actions must be thoroughly documented. This documentation should include details on the actions taken, responsible parties, timelines, and verification of the effectiveness of the corrective measures. Proper documentation provides evidence of the organization's commitment to continuous improvement. Review of corrective actions. ISO 19600 encourages organizations to review the effectiveness of corrective actions taken. This review ensures that the implemented measures have addressed the non-conformities and their root causes, and that the compliance management system has been strengthened. Communication of corrective actions. Communication is key. Organizations must communicate relevant information about corrective actions to relevant stakeholders, both internal and external. Transparent communication fosters accountability and trust in the organization's commitment to compliance. Continuous improvement. Handling non-conformities and implementing corrective actions is not just about resolving immediate issues, it's about fostering a culture of continuous improvement. ISO 19600 encourages organizations to learn from non-conformities, adapt their processes, and continually enhance their compliance management system. In conclusion, effective handling of non-conformities and implementation of corrective actions are integral components of a robust compliance management system according to ISO 19600. By following these guidelines, organizations can not only address non-compliance promptly, but also strengthen their overall commitment to compliance and continuous improvement. Thank you for joining us today, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.